Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created the connection with the database to fetch the information of messages in a form of JSON. In this video, we are going to create Ajax call which will hit this action and fetch JSON to render in DataTables. So for that, I will copy a sample Ajax call from here. This is a simple Ajax call. Even that, we can copy this call which is already used to rendering the data table. I will copy this and use within this script. Here we will create a document ready code which is executed whenever the DOM is ready or the whole page code is executed. When the whole page code is executed, this Ajax call is called. Here we have controller which is messages. In the messages controller, we have this messages list which will return us the list of messages in JSON formatted. First, we will empty the T-body if there is any data that will be removed. By default, the T-body is empty. Right after that, we are consoling the information so that we can view in our console log. After that, I have created a dynamic variable, render data, which is type of string. This is the loop. Each time, for example, we have 10 values in list or 10 objects. This loop is repeatedly fetching the information by object and index by index. I will create a row as a string, and in the first row we have value as ID. So value dot ID, and then I have value dot name. Remember that if you are using the model binding, if you are getting your information with the help of model, then you have to use the same variable name here too. The value, this is the index and this is the key pair. So the key dot ID will return us the ID which is available here. So we need to use the same ID which is same property name which is available in the model. So here we have name, so the N is capital. Right after this, we have email, address, message, and time. And here we have action button. After this dynamic variable have bunch of strings containing rows, and that row will be embedded in the T-body as HTML. And right after this, we will create a data table. So here we have ID messages list, which is used to create a data table. We will remove this right now. So this is the simple declaration. Right now, we have achieved the information coming from the database, and it will render the information on the front end. The thing is missed is that we did not create any SQL query to fetch the information, which we will do in the next video, and to complete the life cycle to populate data tables. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye. Have fun.